First thing, we have some pigtail. I'm gonna taste it. Pigtail. Right? This is for who like broccoli. Spinach. Stew beef. Here, chicken foot. I'm gonna eat fast because time ago. I'm gonna need to eat. Alright. Rice. Now make a mess. You guys making a mess. Come, one more. Oh, I forgot to only the one piece I can. I'm not telling you no one more pigtail, no, come now, share no more pigtail with you.